This is why, Karthik, we had been suffering for so long time. Anyway, we got it. Anyway, about this case, Karthik.
See if it is him.
Show me.
Karthik.
Yeah, he is only brother. That case file.
Hey, just give me the case file and that book and run away fastly. Otherwise,
Karthik.
hey, go.
Hey, give your bag.
You rascal.
Kill him! Hey, hey, catch him! Hey,
Bro, Karthik.
kill him, bro!
Kill him.
Karthik.
Don't try to escape.
Karthik.
Come on.
Kill him!
Karthik, please come, Karthik.
Make a circle! Come on!
Karthik, no. Please, Karthik, come. Karthik, come. We leave from here. Karthik.
Bro, like this!
Karthik, please come, Karthik. We'll go from here.
Hey!
Karthik. Karthik. Karthik, please come. We'll go from here. Karthik.
Ashwini, you go.
Karthik, no, please.
Hey. Ashwini! Ashwini!
Let's move! Move! Go!
Hey.
Come first!
What happened? What happened here?
Nothing, Dad.
Nothing, uncle. One small accident.
Accident?
No worries, uncle.
Sit.
If she
Please
take
sit.
rest, she will be better. You take care, uncle. Ashwini, I'm leaving.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, uncle.
Dear, do you have pain?
Nothing to worry, Dad. It's a small accident.
You
Leave
know how
it.
paining it is for me. Come, let's go to upstairs.
Who are they? Who is that? Who? This number.
Hey, what happened? Have you got the information from the book?
Who is that?
Hey, what happened? Have you
I
got the
already heard
information
this
from the
voice
book?
before. It's like familiar voice.
Have you got the information from the book?
Who is that? How they got the senior reporter number?
Tell me, Karthik.
Ashwini, where are you? Come to office immediately.
What happened, Karthik? Is there anything important? Why are you asking me to come at this time?
I said come. Come first.
Okay, I'll come. What happened, Karthik? Why did you ask me to come urgent?
Nothing, Ashwini. The people who stole the details from us, I have found the people.
What are you saying? Whoever comes, we should not leave him, Karthik.
Oh, whoever it is.
Yeah, whoever it is.
Maybe it was your father?
What? Why does my father should do this?
You have to say.
No, Karthik, you are lying. My father will not do like this.
Oh, am I lying to you? If he say, you believe? Hey. 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 Tell me. Tell me the truth.
Your father Rajendran is reason for everything.
No. My father?
I don't know the reason behind this. When investigating this case, they have started watching you. Do you know? He is the only person against you in this case from the beginning.
Hey, don't tell lie. Are you telling the truth?
It's true. It's true only.
My father. I don't know why he's doing like this. What should I do now?
Ashwini, you have to say that.
I will tell you.
Okay, come, let's go.
I don't understand anything. Why would he do like this?
Ashwini? What are you thinking, dear?
I don't understand who to trust and who not to trust, Dad.
What? Why are you talking like this?
I can't believe the people that we trust most. It's hurting like anything.
I think that case file. What happened, baby?
It's nothing, Dad. Just a small problem in the office. It will be all right in few days. I feel sleepy.
Did you sleep without pills? Please take it. Have it.
Shall I believe him or not?
What happened?
It's enough, Dad.
Lie down and sleep. Good night. Okay, I will. Sleep well. I have the book. Okay. This book is the cause of all the problems. I am burning now.
This book in father's hand? Is it true what Karthi said? Wrong password. Shit. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. Okay, yes. Got it. Atmika.
Kill him. Don't leave them. Kill him. Kill him. Don't leave anyone. Don't leave them. Go and kill him. Go. Kill him. Don't leave anyone. Kill Ashwini? Ashwini? Ashwini will know everything. Come fast. Make it fast.
Ashwini? Ashwini? Where is she? Ashwini? Where is she? Ma'am?
Uncle? Uncle?
What uncle?
This is why I told from beginning. You should not do this case file. Now, because of you, a murder happened injustice-ly.
What do you mean? It's me.
Yes, of course. Because of you. You're the reason for every problem.
What are you saying? Are you saying that I killed him? Hello? Are you trying to frame me for someone's murder?
From the beginning of that case file to this time, I was watching both of you moves regularly.
What? You both are caring about that case file?
Hey, what man? Case? You don't know the seriousness of this case. First of all, you know who is Ashwini? You know her. She's my younger sister, Atmika.
Hey, who is there in this time?
Even if it is the book which we are studying or the case which we are taking, whatever there is inside may not be true. Understand, Karthik? You always think everything straightforward. That's not correct, Karthik. Every story has an another side. Like the story said in the book, everyone didn't die, Karthik. What happened means, in Kodaikanal there is a place called Kamanur, where we born and grow up. Like everyone, we were happily living there. Me, mom and dad, and my sister Atmika. Like that we are happily living. Then one day, Atmika was playing with the dog. Doggy, don't run! Ah! She fell in the steps and the head got injured. My dad's friend, Rajendran uncle, he was a neurologist. He came and checked and started the treatment.
Hello.
Give me the bag.
What happened?
Actually, she playing well. But suddenly... She told me have a pain in the back of her head. I don't know what happened to her. So that's only I told to him to call you.
Give the report. Okay. Nothing to worry about.
Okay, sir.
I will give her a tablet and take it continuously for 15 days.
He told to take tablets 15 days continuously. Even after that, she is not okay means he told to call him. But after that also, there is no improvement for her.
Well, you stay out.
Okay.
Atmika, show your eyes.
Suddenly one day, Atmika was screaming like anything.
Mommy!
Atmika!
We all rushed to her
What
and
happened?
see what is happening.
Atmika?
What happened, my dear? Nothing is there.
What happened?
Nothing, ma.
What happened,
Nothing
dear?
is there.
What? Don't be
worry.
afraid. Nothing there.
Nothing to worry.
It's okay, dear.
Don't worry, Atmika.
It's okay. Don't worry.
Nothing is there, dear.
Don't worry. We are all
Nothing,
here
dear.
with you,
Atmika.
okay?
There
are
is
with you.
nothing.
Chill.
You don't worry. Hey, see.
What's this, dear?
So we called again Rajendran uncle.
Welcome.
Look at her. Suddenly she fell down like this.
He was explaining something new sickness which we don't know.
Come outside.
We don't know what is happening.
What happened, my dear friend?
Schizophrenia. Actually, keep only one thing, and that is travel. Take for example, a teddy bear. As far as we are concerned, that is lifeless. But alive as far as she is concerned. Not only a toy, but also a form of fear in the mind. Thinking about it will give you headache and eye pain and running nose too. All this should be a sign for her. Am I right?
Yes, uncle. Always she tell she is having headache. But
What?
we didn't take it serious.
What is this? This is the big problem. It should not be left as it is.
What we have to do right now?
Did you know that this is the problem?
Yes.
We will start the treatment immediately.
Okay.
Listen carefully. The child should not be left alone, okay? And should be kept indoors. Thereafter, follow all the medication I mentioned.
Sure.
I will tell you everything on phone. I will go to Bangalore for a seminar. Back in 2 days.
Okay.
Leave it. I will take care. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Take care.
Okay, uncle.
Bye.
So Rajendran uncle told that within 2 days we can start the treatment like that. But the change we never expected was started from there only. Doggy, don't run. Stop there. Please stop there. Doggy, stop there. Doggy. Mummy!
What happened?
Daddy, she was
What
there
happened,
only.
Charu?
You go and search there. Hey, you go.
Atmika!
Atmika?
Atmika!
Atmika?
Atmika!
Atmika.
Atmika!
Atmika.
I don't know
Atmika?
where is she?
Atmika.
Atmika?
Atmika. Atmika.
Atmika!
Atmika? Where are you?
Atmika.
Daddy! Mummy!
What
Daddy!
What's this? Her hands full of blood. Atmika? Atmika! Look at me!
Atmika.
Atmika!
Atmika?
Atmika!
Atmika, tell me.
What happened?
Atmika, why are you doing like this?
Daddy! Don't do it! Daddy! Please! I'll take care of her. I took her from there and went.
What I do, dear?
It was a big shock for us. There is a change in her behavior also.
What a noise that is. Who's that? Whose noise is that? Anyone is there? Ah! Ah! Charu! Charu! Please come here!
Lata, what happened there? Lata, where are you? Lata? Huh? Lata? 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 Atmika?
Hello? Hello? What?
Uncle.
What happened? Tell me.
Atmika!
Atmika? What happened here?
Atmika!
What?
Uncle! Atma killed mom and dad!
My God. I will come soon. Don't be scared.
I can't explain. Please come fast. Please,
I will
uncle.
come. I will come soon.
I don't know
worry.
what to do.
I will come.
Please, uncle.
Please don't be panicking. I will come.
Uncle, 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 she's behind you. Uncle, uncle, what we will do, uncle? How can we protect her? My younger sister, uncle. We can't kill her also. We can't hand over to police also. What we can do now? Now I have only one relation. That is my younger sister only.
Listen to me. Atmiya should be converted into a clean slate.
Clean slate means?
Like a white paper.
No. That means?
What we write on that paper only will be in her mind. For that, first we have to shift from here. This case should be rewritten as if the security did all the murders.
Oh no, uncle, I don't know anything.
Just follow what I say. Okay?
Okay.
Charu.
Uncle.
The case should be rewritten that it was the security killed them. At the time you are not here. It should be registered in the FIR. Okay?
Okay, uncle.
Murthy! Murthy! Where are you?
Huh? That night, security only killed everyone. Like that, we changed everything. After that, Atmiya was shifted to Chennai and giving treatment in front of us only. Whatever job you did, no? That made us come here only.
Hello, what I did? I did help. It's wrong?
For finding that only, right? Come.
Ma'am, what is this? Is this Ashwini?
Don't make any noise. Come with me.
Come fast. Ma'am, come fast. Ma'am, door is locked. What happened to Ashwini?
Don't make noise. First, we have to get out from here.
Ma'am, this is your house. You have to tell how to go outside. Ma'am, pull it fast.
Do something, Karthik. Oh my God.
We never go outside. Every doors and windows are locked.
What we will do? How we will go out?
Madam, I think she left outside.
Yeah, she's not there. Come, we can go out. Come.
I'm regretting for this case, ma'am.
Shh. Shut up your mouth. In the first half, you give so much build-up. Now, second half, you're crying.
Madam, how do I know? My lover has such a big flashback.
What? What you told lover?
Madam, see there. See.
Charu? Shh. Come, come. You, where I put my gun, I don't know.
What? What are you saying? Why are you going to kill your sister?
As you think it's not shooting gun, it's anesthesia gun. Look, Karthik, now we don't have time. We'll go outside first and we'll talk then.
Okay. Is there any way to go outside?
No, there is no other way, only one way.
Okay, come.
Just see, she's there or not. Oh no.
Ma'am, there is only one way. That is to break the door. Otherwise, no way. Please believe me, I will be back.
No, Karthik, don't leave me
Please,
alone. No,
please
please,
listen to me.
please.
I will be back,
Don't leave
believe
me
me.
alone. Please. No, don't
Ashwini?
go. Karthik!
Hey! 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 Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Karthik, this is my karma's result only. What happened is...
What are you saying, ma'am?
Actually, what happened is... Yes, my sister was like that. No, I couldn't bear that one. So I sent that report to my friend. She gets shocked after seeing the report. Sister didn't get the disease naturally. Someone forced and did this one. After knowing this, I called Rajendran uncle.
Hello?
Hello, uncle. What you did to my sister? Which tablet you gave to my sister?
It's just a normal tablet only. Nothing to worry.
Don't tell me lie. I'm not a small kid that you can tell me anything. I have sent the report to my friend. Now I came to know every truth. I'm going to tell everything to my dad. Cut the call.
Hey!
Don't tell to them. Please listen to me.
Please.
What?
Please trust me. Okay. Please come and meet immediately. I will tell you directly. Come on. I told you to come immediately. Come.
Please. Don't try to convince my mind.
Come first directly. We will discuss. Charu.
Uncle, what are you doing to my sister?
Why this much amount is credited? Uncle, why this much amount?
Everything has its price in this world, Charu. How much you want, I will give. But I want your sister for my research.
Research? What research?
Let's take their brain data to be affected schizophrenia disease and match it to another. By matching, they will also be affected in that disease. Then we will cure them by giving them an alternative medicine. But my bad luck, till my research not successful. But here was the first success. It was only your sister. Yes, your sister Almega.
My younger sister?
Yes, that's a fact. She's sister only for you. For me and my investors, look, she is just experimental material. There is nothing to be afraid of. You don't know the value of your sister. Foreign investors are ready to invest crores for this research. Earn a lot and live as you like. If only this research is successful, then I am good to at the world's #1 psychiatrist. That's only me. We have everything in this world. But your sister is very important.
Whatever you are talking, I'm getting scared of this. Uncle, there will be no harm in sister's life, right?
Nothing to worry. After this research is completed and hand over your sister is safely, that's my duty. No worries.
Uncle, I'm going now. I trust you. I'll handle maximum whatever I can do. Younger sister is very small. As much as fast you can finish the research, it will be helpful for me.
Look, Charu, you remember one thing. You and Atmika like my daughters. I'll take care. You should not discuss this research with anyone, including your parents. Go.
Okay, uncle.
Hi, Frank. One good news. I got the sample. I will tell you shortly. Hi, Frank.
Hi, Raja.
We are almost done. We are going to take data from the brain on the affected schizophrenia disease. Take that brain and transfer into the client.
Yes, proceed.
I will show you. Wait. This red color brain is the affected brain of Atmika. On this side, blue color, disinfected, pure brain. For example, client 1, client 2, client 3. We are going to take data from this affected brain and store it in the memory bank. Take the data from the memory bank, again client 1, client 2, client 3. We are going to transfer all of them. Like this VR transfer, they will also suffer from this severe disease. After all, no one in this world has an antidote for this disease except us. One more. Globally, worldwide, our business is large in global market.
Yeah, it's a good project. We can start immediately.
Okay, do.
Uncle used her for the research. I also supported him for that.
Ma'am? Ashwini? 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 Everything is because of me. Why should I give the case file to you? Why should I give the book to you? If I had not given you any of this, lifelong, you will be my Ashwini, right?